Stop boiling noodles the usual way. Today I'm going to show you a simple trick that turns instant noodle into a thick golden omelette that look almost like cake. First, we cook the noodle in boiling water for about 2 minutes. It's important not to overcook them. Slightly firm noodle help the omelette keep its structure when we cook it in the pan. Now crack in 4 eggs in a bowl and add in your milk, your seasoning cube, and mix everything together. Next, add the cooked noodle, carrot, peas into the egg mixture. Vegetables are important not just for flavor but also for color and nutrition. They make the dish more balanced and visual appealing. Heat a pan on low to medium heat and add a little oil. Pour the mixture into the pan and spread it evenly. Cooking slowly is the secret here. Low heat allows the egg to set gradually, so the omelette becomes thick and hold together like a cake. Once bottom is golden brown, carefully flip the omelette using a plate or spatula. Cook both sides. Give it a beautiful crispy crust while keeping the inside soft. Let it rest for a minute before cutting. Resting allows the egg to firm up so you get a clean slice. Now let's cut it and see the inside look. Add these noodle vegetables and melted cheese. And that is how you turn simple instant noodle into a delicious noodle omelette. It's quick, affordable, and perfect for breakfast, lunch, or a snacks. Follow EasyBites for more recipes that you can cook at home.